Trading can be quite profitable, especially if you use leverage. However, if you're serious about trading, understanding basic patterns is a must. Traders are playing a game, and by learning some basic patterns, you can too. So let's kick things off with the bull flag, one of the easiest and most reliable patterns. And what are we looking for? Well, firstly, we're looking for a strong upward move, which is the flagpole, literally the pole that holds a flag. Then we're looking for a sideways or downward consolidation, which makes up the flag. And if we draw some lines, we actually have a visible flag. Then we are looking for a breakout, and that is when the price leaves this flag, of course, upwards. And that is the time we want to get in. And if you want to try out trading with leverage and no KYC, I'm actually collaborating with WEEX. They have a potential $20,000 sign-up bonus for completing certain tasks, and they're one of the fastest growing CEXs in the space. Following my link, of course, helps me help you. And why does the bull flag pattern work? Well, traders see the consolidation as a pause before the trend continues. When enough traders jump in, it fuels the breakout, driving prices higher. Simple, effective, and easy to spot. Master the basics and the market will reward you. Of course, there's absolutely no financial advice. Never risk anything you're not willing to lose. Of course, this is all my research as well. Do your own, and for more things crypto, give me a follow.